Have you ever noticed, the more stressed you feel, the harder it becomes to think clearly? You forget things, you overreact, you feel tired, but your mind won't stop. That's not just stress. That's your brain literally being hijacked. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Now, in small amounts, cortisol is helpful. It keeps you alert, focused, ready. But when it stays high for too long, it starts shrinking your memory center, the hippocampus. It weakens your decision-making, the prefrontal cortex, and it keeps your body stuck in survival mode. You don't feel it like a fever. You feel it as brain fog, constant worry, snapping at people, and that "I can't relax" feeling. And here's the good news. Your body already knows how to turn this off. You just need to give it the right signals. Have you ever taken a shaky double breath after crying? That's not random. That's your body trying to fix your chemistry. When you're stressed, tiny air sacs in your lungs collapse slightly. This causes carbon dioxide to build up, and that's one of the fastest ways to trigger anxiety. So here's what scientists found. A breathing pattern called the physiological sigh can calm your body within seconds. Deep inhale through your nose. One more short inhale on top. Slow, long exhale through your mouth. That long exhale activates your vagus nerve, which tells your body, hey, we're safe now. If your stress could drop in 10 seconds, why wouldn't you use this all the time? Cold water reset. This one is powerful, and it's already in your bathroom. When cold water hits your face, your body activates something called the mammalian dive reflex. It literally thinks, we're underwater, slow everything down. Your heart rate drops, your nervous system calms, your stress response slows. Studies even show heart rate can drop by up to 25%. And here's something most people don't know. Your cortisol naturally spikes in the morning. If you're already stressed, that spike goes even higher. Cold water helps bring that baseline down. But here's where it gets interesting. Animals don't stay stressed the way we do. Stress shaking. Have you ever seen an animal shake after a scare? That's not random. That's biology. Animals physically release stress from their bodies. Humans? We sit. We suppress. We hold it in. So the stress never finishes. It stays in your system. That's why your body still feels tense even after the situation is over. So here's what you do. Stand up. Slight bend in your knees. Let your body shake loosely for 2 to 3 minutes. It might feel weird, but what you're doing is completing the stress cycle, releasing built-up cortisol, resetting your nervous system. Now let's talk about the most underrated stress killer. Hug/self-hug. Your brain is wired for connection. When you hug someone, your body releases oxytocin, the safety hormone. And at the same time, cortisol levels drop. But here's the interesting part. You don't actually need another person. You can trigger the same response yourself. Cross your arms. Apply gentle pressure. This tells your brain, I'm safe. And your body responds instantly. And now for the simplest one, that almost nobody takes seriously. Mindful dishwashing. This sounds boring, but the science is powerful. In one study, people who washed dishes mindfully had 27% less nervousness, 25% more mental clarity. Why? Because stress lives in the future, but calm exists in the present. When you focus on the temperature of the water, the smell of the soap, the feeling in your hands, you pull your brain out of overthinking and back into reality. Your brain isn't broken. It's trying to protect you. It just hasn't realized the danger is no longer there. When you give your body the right signals, it naturally returns to calm. So I'm curious, which of these are you going to try first? Comment below. I read every single one. And if this helped you understand your mind better, hit subscribe, because once you understand your brain, you stop fighting it. See you soon with our next video.